This is our leg extension, which is going to work the front of the legs or the quads. If you ever forget how to use it or what muscle groups it works, we do have a plaque on the machine that will show you both of those things. Before we get started with the exercise, we do have to adjust the machine to our specific body. Anything that's yellow is adjustable. So the first thing you want to do is adjust the seat by squeezing this lever. What you're looking for, and it may take a little bit of trial and error, is having placement of this pad just beneath the back of your knees. So in this case, it's a little behind my knees. So I'm going to squeeze that lever, lower it just a little bit more, and now I'm comfortably flush with that. The next thing you'll adjust is going to be the angle here of the bottom part of the machine. Push that button and allow it to move forward. Find whatever is most comfortable for you. And then the final adjustment, you're gonna pull this knob here and bring it in. It's hard to tell exactly what your numbers are going to be, but what you're looking for is for this pad to be on the front of your ankles, beneath your shins, comfortably, so that you can begin the exercise. Before we do begin the exercise, the final thing we need to do is choose a weight. To choose a weight, we will have our 10-pound increments with this yellow adjustable pin. Go ahead and start low, see how it feels, and then add weight as you need to. You also have the option to add 5 pounds to whatever weight you selected below, or not add 5 pounds. Getting in position, we're gonna keep our back glued to the rest here. Your hands can be on these handles here if you'd like. Go ahead and extend your legs, working the front of the muscles of your legs, your quads, and bring it back down. Bring it up and bring it down. You want to avoid slamming the weights down. Just bring it up slow and controlled, and when you're done, you can lower slowly.